Releasing dopamine.
What's up, guys? The boss and coming in the building. Like, comment, and subscribe. Wagwan peeps, are we there with another?
Inside.
Brand new banger.
Inside.
Why you do it, John Cross?
Banger! But as usual, guys, right before getting it, just remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe because it really helps out the Jamaican YouTuber for sure. But anyway, peeps, no more itching. Right into it. Wagwan peeps. Yeah, we miss you now. As always. But we're there. You know, you don't know, say, I just been on crazy road shows. I do my thing all over Jamaica on tour and thing like that. Those who follow me on Instagram wanna see I know what I'm going. But anyway, peeps, make we go right tonight. Make we kick it off. Yeah.
Hey, yo, rude boy, me not in a long talk this year, see? My family and my friends, them, and loved ones, them, in the place. And the people, them, hungry. See? So now I'm going to get into the tradition. Fuck the long talk. Weber father, where you there? Yeah. Right now, I'm going to show you some blood clot food, see? You see that food here? I want you to look good. Mango, chili salmon in a bumbo clot. To them say Weber father. Yeah. Steam snapper in the place. You know what we do it? We put okra and vegetable and them sitting there. Curry blood clot lobster. Butter lobster. Butter blood clot shrimp. How will you say Weber father? Yeah. I could go down the blood clot line. Hey, yo, chef, what them call this blood clot lamb we have? French blood clot lamb in the bumbo clot place. You know, see this? Hold on, no? French lamb in your ras clot, see? Yeah, I'll steal it. Right corner pocket on the pool table. Yeah, man, you can't stay there and enjoy the blood clot extravaganza. Look, you know, see the yams in the place. Will you put marshmallow in a blood clot? Where you say Weber father?
Yeah, man.
True. Lasagna in your ras clot. What happened to them? True. Curry chicken in your bumbo clot, too. Yeah. Will you say Weber father? Yeah. Have a cook-up rice. Smoke herring and blood clot saltfish cook-up rice. What you know about that? Them don't know nothing about that. What you say Weber father?
Guyanese style.
You see that white rice, yeah? You think there's some regular white rice? Basmati blood clot white rice. In your blood clot. That's what the thing said. Rice and peas in your ras clot too. Yeah. Family, we ready for Nyam food? Wait. No. It's just a blood clot teas, you know. Hold on now. Fried chicken. You know, see the glow on the fried chicken. When I have no black and dark brown spot for the fried chicken, you know, the fried chicken golden in your blood clot. What you say, Weber? Weber father, what you say?
Yankee style.
Yeah. Hold on now. Hold on now. We have a blood clot, golden blood clot chicken wing in your ras clot. Fried blood clot, golden chicken wing. What you depend? You know, see the macaroni and cheese, 3 blood clot plate. Only for blood clot cheese and the blood clot macaroni and cheese. What you say the Weber father?
Let's eat.
Happy holidays, everybody.
Boy, you see, man, in easy, you know. The one Busta run, him not easy, you know. The man, I enjoy him Thanksgiving service. The man got Jamaican style, them Guyanese style, Chinese style. Man, I give them all different type of food, all different type of style. Big up yourself, Busta. I rate that. Yeah, man, enjoy yourself. Happy Thanksgiving to all them people that will celebrate it, although it probably gone already, but they don't know. Hope it was festive. Hope it was good. Alright, peeps, make we kick off the next video now.
This is some bullshit, Stephen. This can feed a whole family. And you're gonna eat this bumbo clad thing. with 3 pussy clad thing there. That is some fuck with Steven. We can't support you no more. No. Get the fuck out of the house. Look on the bomber clad plate of egg. How much egg you fry? 6 bomber ass clad pussy bomber blood clad egg.
Oh!
6 blood clad egg dog.
Me mama.
You ever work in a day in a bomber clad life? You Nyam 6 egg. You know what we can feed by 6 egg? Huh? We can make a dinner for people. A big dinner for like a whole family. 6 egg. And how much bomber clad bacon? That could be like 100 pieces of pussy clad bacon.
Mom, slam on the brakes.
And you're gonna top it off with 3 bomber clad egg. And you call that breakfast? No.
Daddy, we need to give mommy money. Please she buy some snack for it. Cause tonight you got stress her out again, make she carry your coat again. Bruh. Well, I know she got carry her coat this time on me.
Oh!
Cause you're supposed to carry money from whole win. And you can't carry already. I let tell her if you go for work and wait here and wear your dick so long can't come.
Me mama.
Him pray me. You hear man that send him. You hear the man send him father a while ago. You hear what the baby send give father a while ago?
Don't forget $100 from
Please,
to give
my
you.
friend, my beard, see there, my beard, make sure I come up your bed because I don't want everyone to know.
I don't have any money to
I
give
think
you.
I'm even $50, please.
Don't blood clot cry for me.
Yes, please. Watch ya.
I'm get it from.
Please, my friend.
I don't have any money and I'm going to close my
Pay
door.
$100, please.
I don't have any money.
Pay $100 now.
I don't have no money.
Please, my friend, pay $100. Oh, God, I got
Oh!
No, bruh. It's the switch up for me. Just say, please, pay $100, please. You can't pay $100. Watch it.
Oh!
Please, sister, get $100, please. Oh, God.
How will you talk to your son? How will you run your son?
Afternoon.
Oh, I got mirror, so there's something there, the robot, something there.
Yeah, can I get 3 million?
Oh, I don't. A predator. Yeah, okay. Yeah.
Alright, peeps. Hope you enjoy them video there. It's not much, but I'll try to search and see if we can find some trending things. What go on in other time space, but nothing too big now go on. But as I say, I promise you know, whenever we get the free time, the free days them, I can keep the pot bubbling and thing. And if you guys have any video you want to send me them, man. You can, you know what I mean, send me them at sinusgaming@gmail.com, you know what I mean. So yeah, you know, just let me know if you don't have nothing you want to send and thing. But yeah, we just keep the pot bubbling. Stay tuned tomorrow for more content and vlog. Thank you also to all the peeps them who wish me happy birthday. Yeah, you know, if you missed that vlog, you can go check it out and thing, you know, what I did on my birthday and then the hotel weekend. Yeah, that was dope too and things. So yeah, I know I know much content, peeps. As myself, because it's really because I'm there on the road and I do a whole heap of touring and stuff like that all over Jamaica. That kind of sink in on the time, but I still try for upload content as much as possible. I might need to start do some live too back on the Sunday. I know I normally do a live on Sundays, but I did tired yesterday. I just want to chill back and things. Never feel like going on a pool or nothing like that, you know. And so yeah, thank you very much for watching. Big ups to everybody who still rock with me and just go on journey with your boy. Shoot!
No matter how the time get hard, man, I go flip the paper. Like COVID could slow, we don't go stop the bricks for later. Fire the devil cause it real and you're not Mr. Maker. Big up the